How to remove blackheads naturally. Blackheads are small black pores in skin projections regularly determined on the face, in particular on the nose and occasionally at the back. These black projections shape a plug blocking off the sebaceous glands of the skin. They are caused due to a moderate production of sebum, an oily substance, from the sebaceous gland that slowly receives hardened when they mix with dead skin and bacteria. The sebum receives uncovered to oxygen from the air and gets oxidized and turns black. When they're under the pore beginning they appear as white or yellow bumps and they do not get oxidized and are known as whiteheads. Here are the primary reasons that lead to blackheads. Stress. Hormonal changes. Inheritance. Unclean pores and skin. Cosmetics. Smoking. Alcohol. Caffeine. Follow these simple, natural methods to clean the pores and remove blackheads. The use of easily available substances at home. Tomato wash. Tomatoes are a great home remedy to put off blackheads. This fruit has natural antiseptic residences that dry up blackheads. Take a small tomato, peeled and mashed, then follow it over the blackheads before going to bed. Leave in a single day and then wash face with clean water within the morning. Lemon scrub. Lemon is another natural ingredient that is powerful in treating blackheads. Squeeze few drops of lemon juice in a bowl, upload salt and stir the combination well. Wash face with heat water and practice the mixture at the blackheads. Leave for a few 20 minutes and wash face once more with heat water. Toothpaste rub. Apply a skinny layer of toothpaste over the blackheads, go away for 25 minutes and wash face gently with heat water. Repeat this treatment for 2 weeks to be loose from blackheads. Honey massage. Honey has antiseptic houses that work wonders for both oily pores and skin and blackheads. Apply honey onto the affected place and wash off with warm water after 15 minutes. Baking soda mask. Prepare an aggregate of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply lightly to the affected part, permit to dry for a couple of minutes, after which rinse it off with warm water to put off away the oil and dirt that purpose blackheads. Oatmeal pack. A combination of oatmeal and yogurt is right for the skin and enables banish blackheads. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil to it, blend a majority of these ingredients well till it forms a paste. Apply the mixture at the face, go away for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash face with cold water. Egg wash. Raw eggs are a powerful home cure to dispose of blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites, combined with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the area of blackheads, depart for half hour, and wash off with warm water. Cinnamon pack. Prepare an aggregate of the same elements of cinnamon powder and lime juice to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the affected components and go away on overnight and then wash off with warm water in the morning. If you like the video, supply it a thumbs up and percentage it along with your friends. If you want extra recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.